watching the News Hour at 9.
Before I play out the detailed report on yet another shocker from Rahul Gandhi, I would like to set up the case tonight on the News Hour on Rahul's timeline of insensitive comments. Yes, this is not the first time. For instance, in 2013, Rahul Gandhi made the most insensitive statement ever made by any ruling political party while addressing a forum on poverty alleviation. He said poverty is a state of mind and it is only confidence with which we can overcome poverty in India. After mocking the poor in 2013, in 2016, Rahul Gandhi stooped to another low, insulting the valor of our braves. While questioning India's surgical strikes on Pakistan, he accused the Prime Minister of indulging in khoon ki dalali. If this wasn't enough, just last month, he mocked ailing Finance Minister Arun Jaitley, sending him a sarcastic note on social media saying, "Is the Finance Ministry shut?" Following Congress policy of appeasement, the Congress president, while addressing a poll rally in Karnataka, tagged controversial Muslim Emperor Tipu Sultan as a symbol of communal harmony. And this leads me to my legitimate question. Is Rahul putting siyasat over sanskar? इसी पर आगे बहस करेंगे. खास मेहमान एक पैनल भी हमारे साथ होगा, लेकिन सबसे पहले देख लेते हैं इस रिपोर्ट को.
When Rahul Gandhi visited an ailing Atal Bihari Vajpayee at AIIMS yesterday, it instilled faith in each one of us that humanity was above politics. Until 1 p.m. this afternoon, when the Congress president decided to say this.
कल मैं गया, वाजपेयी जी के खिलाफ कौन लड़े थे? हम लड़े थे, मगर जब वो बीमार हैं, पहले मैं वहां गया, क्योंकि मैं कांग्रेस पार्टी का सिपाही हूं और मैं बात समझता हूं कि जरूर वाजपेयी जी हमारे साथ हमारे खिलाफ लड़े, मगर वाजपेयी जी ने हिंदुस्तान के लिए काम किया. वाजपेयी जी हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री रहे और हम उस पद का आदर करते हैं, और अगर वाजपेयी जी आज बीमार हैं तो हम जाके उनके साथ खड़े होंगे. ये हमारा इतिहास है और ये हमारा धर्म है.
Rahul Gandhi turning basic courtesy into a rat race.
वाजपेयी जी के खिलाफ कौन लड़े थे? हम लड़े थे, मगर जब वो बीमार हैं, पहले मैं वहां गया.
BJP shedding their civility to attack the Gandhi scion.
The fact is, when Pranabda visits RSS headquarters, all of a sudden he stops getting the messages for iftar party held by Congress party. Whereas if Rahul Gandhi chooses to visit Atalji, we have no problem. I mean, Atalji belongs to the country and anyone is free to visit him.
राहुल गांधी जी की राजनीति एक मजाक हो रही है और हर मजाक की एक सीमा होती है. जहां तक वाजपेयी जी का नाम प्रयोग करना और कहना मैं पहले गया, इस पर भी अब ऐसे रिपोर्ट आ रहे हैं कि शायद अस्पताल ने कहा मत आइए क्योंकि वाजपेयी जी की तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, हेल्थ कंसर्न्स होता है, लेकिन जबरदस्ती पहुंच गए, ऐसे रिपोर्ट्स आ रहे हैं.
And this isn't the first time Rahul has made insensitive comments to score brownie points. Rahul mocked ailing Jaitley's absence from Finance Ministry to attack the Modi government's economic record. In fact, he even accused the Prime Minister of khoon ki dalali post the surgical strikes. Has Rahul Gandhi's Me First statement over a 93-year-old former Prime Minister's health plunged Indian politics to a new low? That is the big question. Bureau Report, Times Now.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
और हमारे साथ अब एक पैनल जुड़ गया है. लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस यू टू आवर गेस्ट्स. डॉक्टर सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, नेशनल स्पोक्सपर्सन ऑफ द बीजेपी, जॉइन्स अस. वी आल्सो हैव मिस्टर प्रफुल्ल केतकर, द एडिटर ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजर, here with us in the studio. Ashutosh Mishra, a political analyst. Tehseen Poonawala, political analyst. And Dr. Suman C. Raman, also political analyst, join us. A very good evening to all of you. Let me first invite Tehseen Poonawalla and Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi for our first segment, The Standpoint. आप दोनों को अपनी बात रखने के लिए 90 seconds का वक्त मिलेगा. And my first question is to Tehseen Poonawalla. Tehseen Poonawalla, what could possibly be the reason or the intention behind this statement? Was Rahul Gandhi trying to score a political point here?
No, I don't think Rahul Gandhi ji was trying to score a political point. In fact, I think Rahul Gandhi ji made a very important point on humanitarian basis, that even though a leader has been ailing in hospital for several hours and nobody went to see him, by Rahul Gandhi ji going there, other leaders went. But the more important point, if Rahul Gandhi is wrong in making this statement, then by the same yardstick, Prime Minister Modi should also be condemned, because Prime Minister Modi has often tweeted and given out press releases on how he spoke about Sonia ji's health, how he checked if Rahul ji's plane was okay or no, and these are through sources based. So if Prime Minister Modi did it for reasons that are humanitarian, choice Rahul Gandhi done it for reasons that are humanitarian, or both are wrong. Most importantly, Prime Minister Vajpayee is on record to say it was Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi who saved his life when he was ailing, sent him to New York as an ambassador so he could get the best treatment. So the Gandhi family, the Congress, the culture of the Congress is always to cross political boundaries that have been created now in politics. With politics, it's got so personal. For example, Sudhanshu ji and I have excellent relationships, so there should be no reason why we should have animosity. And I think Rahul Gandhi was simply making a point that a senior leader like Vajpayee ji, who was in hospital for so many hours, where Rahul Gandhi crossing all lines, going there to meet him, is the kind of politics all of us need to do. This is what inspires all of us. This is what takes India forward. This is the politics we need, not politics where you call somebody Jersey cow, we call somebody Italian glasses, we use dirty language, 50 crore girlfriend. We need a new kind of politics. I'm glad that a young Rahul Gandhi has taken the initiative. I respect him even more for this.
All right. Well, your time is still not over, but let me go across to Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi. Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, Tehseen Poonawalla has asked several questions. Respond to that along with this question. Was it not insensitivity on Rahul Gandhi's part to say that he went there first?
Actually, Rahul Gandhi, honestly speaking, has tried to give a good gesture, but again he has proved that he is an immature leader. Because this is, you can say, a good Shishtachar or courtesy in politics. He has tried to turn it into a political opportunity or try to use it as a weapon to attack, and particularly he has chosen a leader like Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee. How you can compare when Indira ji was Prime Minister, and at the time of 1971 war, Congress people used to quote that Atal ji has praised a lot to Indira ji. On the other hand, Rahul Gandhi ji has asked about the proof of surgical strike and the Khoon ki dalali type of words. So I think he has chosen a very bad narrative. And in my opinion, one more thing I would like to remind on these issues, when the health is the issue or something sad is the issue, then these type of things should not be said that he has said like that. For example, I remember that at the time of Sanjay Gandhi expired, that Sanjay Gandhi, who was instrumental in putting emergency and putting various leaders, including Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, into jail, when he died, what was the statement of Atal ji? कि ऐसा लगता है इतनी कम आयु में निधन हुआ, ऐसा लगता है कि प्रातः काल ही सूर्यास्त हो गया. This was the statement of Atal ji also. In Geneva 1995, he went to support Narasimha Rao government on the Kashmir issue despite having so much of differences and without taking any credit, given full credit to Narasimha Rao. Finally, I would like to say, Rahul Gandhi से वो गलती हो गई कि बड़े काम करने के बाद बोलना नहीं चाहिए. एक कहावत है, बड़े बड़ाई ना करें, बड़े न बोले बोल, रहीमन हीरा कब कहे लाख टका मेरा बोल. बस उन्होंने यही गलती कर दी कि जब अपने आप बोल देते हैं तो आप सारी अपनी क्रेडिट
डिबेट फॉर ऑल नाउ. सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी बने रहिए आप हमारे साथ. बट आशुतोष मिश्रा जी, जैसा सुधांशु त्रिवेदी कह रहे हैं कि गलती हो गई या जानबूझकर की किया, दैट ही यूज्ड दिस पर्टिकुलर ओकेजन टू ब्रैग अबाउट व्हेन ही वाज एड्रेसिंग पीपल इन अ रैली कि ये कांग्रेस का कल्चर है एंड आई वेंट देयर फर्स्ट. कोई रेस, कोई कंपटीशन चल रही थी.
ये जानबूझ के जो शब्द इस्तेमाल किया यहाँ पे, बीजेपी जानबूझ के एक गलत इंटरप्रिटेशन दे के बात को उछाल रही है. व्हाट राहुल गांधी वाज टेलिंग हिज कांग्रेस वर्कर्स एट दैट टाइम दैट बिफोर डूइंग एनीथिंग एल्स आई वेंट एंड मेट हिम. ही डिडंट से सबसे पहले गया. दिस कॉन्सेप्ट दैट सबसे पहले गया केम इनटू बीजेपीज माइंड बिकॉज दे हैड टू रश इन द नाइट, leaving their offices, and then we had the PM, Amit Shah, everyone. So that's what hurting BJP, and that's why
Rahul Gandhi said
they are mudslinging. He said pehle. He said pehle. Pehle का मतलब कि मैं कुछ और काम करने से पहले वहाँ गया. He made that comment. He said मैं सबसे पहले गया. सबसे पहले नहीं गया. And even if he was talking about the Congress Party's culture, those visuals were the best examples. He didn't need to brag about it. He didn't brag. He was just telling the people about the culture where you care about the ill health, a person who is ill. And Vajpayee ji has been
and
close
using
and
that
near and
particular
dear one. Even Nehru ji had predicted that he will be the Prime Minister.
Janata Party.
There was no
and using that opportunity to attacking the Bharatiya Janata Party, that this is our culture, this is how we treat elders, and that is why I went first.
Because BJP sends all its elders to Mukdar Mandal, and Yashwant Sinha has to quit the party because he was so disgusted with their behavior. That's what he was showing the difference, that we respect elders.
Good that you brought out that point, क्योंकि डिबेट के अगले हिस्से में मैं ये भी बताना चाहूंगी कि कांग्रेस पार्टी ने अपने सीनियर लीडर्स के साथ क्या ट्रीटमेंट किया है, लेकिन जो आरोप आप बीजेपी पर लगा रहे हैं, लेट मिस्टर सुधांशु त्रिवेदी रिस्पॉन्ड टू दैट. मिस्टर त्रिवेदी,
देखिए एक चीज, वन थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू से, राहुल गांधी हैज स्पोकन हाफ ट्रूथ. ही हैज सेड दैट ही फॉट अगेंस्ट वाजपेयी जी. इट वाज रॉन्ग. इट वॉज वाजपेयी जी हु फॉट अगेंस्ट द एट्रोसिटीज ऑफ कांग्रेस, और उन्हें कहना चाहिए था इनको हमने जेल में डाला था, इनके ऊपर तरह तरह के अत्याचार किए थे, इसलिए आज हम इनको देखने गए हैं. तो आप जब फैक्ट कहिए तो पूरी बात कहिए. और दूसरी बात, मैं सिर्फ एक बात कहूंगा, कांग्रेस के एक पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री थे ना, नरसिम्हा राव जी. नरसिम्हा राव जी को देखने कितने कांग्रेसी गए थे बताइए? नरसिम्हा राव जी एक ऐसे प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे जिनकी डेथ के बाद उनका शव एआईसीसी के ऑफिस में रखा गया.
was not allowed in the AICC compound.
To be at AICC office for darshan, and now you are trying to score a brownie point. First give an answer on Narasimha Rao. And you remember Sitaram Kesari, उनका जब अध्यक्ष का कमरा सोनिया गांधी जी ने जब कब्जा किया था तो उनकी नेम प्लेट उखाड़ कर चेंज की गई थी. तो मुझे नरसिम्हा राव जी को जवाब दे दे, और कभी बताइए अटल जी ने या हमारे किसी लीडर ने ऐसी कोई बात बोली हो कि साहब हमने ये कहा. जबकि ऑन द अदर हैंड आपने इतनी एट्रोसिटीज की थी हमारे लीडर्स पे.
सुधांशु जी मैं जवाब दे देता हूं संक्षेप में.
सुनिए तहसीन जी,
जी जी जी,
आपने इतनी एट्रोसिटीज की थी कि हमारा तो हालत वो है कि इस कदर गम दिए हैं जहां ने सर उठाने के काबिल नहीं है. उसके बावजूद हमने जिस संग का गेस्चर दिखाया था, और आप तो रूल करने के बाद जरा सी बात में इस ढंग की चीज दिखाने लगे. दिस शोज दैट स्टिल देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ एरोगेंस इन द माइंड ऑफ कांग्रेस एंड देयर फर्स्ट फैमिली.
सुधांशु जी मैं संक्षेप में जवाब दे दूं. आपने कहा कि आप लोगों पर बहुत एट्रोसिटीज हुई थी, बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हो, बहुत ज्यादा एट्रोसिटीज हुई थी. और उस एट्रोसिटीज के पीछे जो संजय गांधी जी थे, उन्हीं के बेटे आपके पार्टी के एमपी है, उनको तो आपने पार्टी में एमपी बना दिया है. खैर कोई बात नहीं, वरुण भी मेरा दोस्त है, अच्छे है कि वरुण आपकी पार्टी में, ये आपके परिवार के बात के खिलाफ शायद लड़ाई होगी, लेकिन जो कांग्रेस ने गलत किया, मैं अपनी बात खत्म कर देता हूं. मैं सर इस शो पे छाती ठोककर सर, हाँ
जब राहुल गांधी पैदा हुए
निकाल रहे हो, मैं आपको कहता हूं सर जो कांग्रेस ने गलत किया, मैं छाती ठोककर कहता हूं इमरजेंसी गलत थी, कांग्रेस ने गलत चीज किया. लेकिन क्या आप लोगों में से किसी में हिम्मत है मोदी जी या आदरणीय अमित शाह जी को कहने को कि जो वाजपेयी जी के साथ और अडवाणी जी के साथ करते हो गलत है? 60 घंटों तक सुनिए मेरी बात खत्म होने दीजिए.
मिश्रा ने कहा कि मूक दर्शक बना करके उस मंडल में भेज दिया सीनियर लीडर्स को.
अपनी बात खत्म कर देता हूं.
And that is why I asked you a question. Can you tell us how Congress party treated its leaders?
जी मैं अब जवाब देता हूं. कांग्रेस ने जो किया, सही किया, गलत किया, उसके लिए आज वो 44, 45, 46 पर आ गए. जब आज की बात हम करें, आपकी सिटिंग एमपी शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा को आप इनवाइट नहीं करते हो वजीर आजम के साथ पटना यूनिवर्सिटी में जाके, वो एमपी है. जब आप यशवंत सिन्हा को पार्टी छोड़ना पड़ता है, जब कीर्ति आजाद को आप सस्पेंड कर देते हो, सत्य बोल रहे हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं आज आप कांग्रेस की राह पे चल रहे हो और कह रहे हो कांग्रेस मुक्त भारत.
Just because he went to the RSS headquarter और उसके बाद दिन भर जब आप लोगों से सवाल पूछा जाता रहा, I know that. When yesterday the Congress party was continuously questioned, उसके बाद रात को 9 बजे ये ट्वीट रणदीप सुरजेवाला का आता है. Meanwhile, we are also playing some facts. मैं आ रही हूँ आपके पास, कुछ facts हम play कर रहे हैं.
मैंने आपके चैनल पे कल भी कहा था और आज भी कहूँगा, जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल पोस्ट है उनके इनविटेशंस लास्ट जाते हैं.
ये फैक्ट्स देखना भी बहुत जरूरी है. देखिए राहुल गांधी जो प्रीच कर रहे हैं, क्या वो खुद वो प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं? इनफैक्ट कांग्रेस पार्टी practicing what it is preaching. Look at those facts. Downplayed the role of Sardar Patel as the national builder. क्या कांग्रेस पार्टी इस बात को डिनाई करेगी? Sidelined by Gandhis after decades decades of service to the party. PV Narasimha Rao के साथ ये हुआ. तमाम policies, तमाम awards, तमाम projects, तमाम schemes या तो सिर्फ गांधी परिवार के नाम पर है और जो बाकियों के नाम पर है भी ना, that you can count on the fingertips. So is that Congress Party's treatment? Is that how Congress Party will justify treating its elders while giving advices to the Bharatiya Janata Party? Mr. Ketkar, please come in. How would you describe Rahul Gandhi's statement? How would you describe it? Arrogance? Is that immaturity, or he knew what he was speaking about? He wanted to score a political point out of it.
No, he did it deliberately, and there was a reason for it. I don't want to comment on Congress culture, because from Subhash Chandra Bose to Vallabhbhai Patel to Narasimha Rao, what Congress did to their own leaders, the nation has seen. He wanted to do it deliberately because in Mumbai he didn't go for this particular rally. He went there to face a defamation case. Sanjay Nirupam turned this into a rally and to change a goalpost. Rahul Gandhi has adopted a typical Maoist strategy of changing goalposts. You know, every day and night he sees RSS everywhere. He chants RSS like anything. Even today's rally, he mentioned RSS thrice.
So you're saying this was a deliberate attempt?
He didn't want his charges that are framed today in Bhiwandi court to be discussed today, and that's why he changed the goalpost. He wanted to create a new issue. This is a very dangerous strategy that he's at.
But then has that not backfired? And let me also bring in Sumantsi Raman. He wants to make a point. Sumantsi Raman, this is not the first time Rahul Gandhi has passed such a comment or made a statement like that. He in fact also posted a very sarcastic tweet for Arun Jaitley.
Yeah. Look, let's be very clear. Rahul Gandhi stated what happened yesterday. Now, there was nothing which prevented the BJP leaders from going there before him. They didn't go, and he exploited it to his political advantage. And he is scoring a political point, trying to underscore the treatment being meted out to
agree
those
with the fact that Rahul Gandhi was only trying to score a political point when he said that I went first and this is Congress Party's culture.
No, let me finish. There is absolutely nothing wrong in that. He is trying to score a political point. Absolutely nothing wrong. Congress is also guilty of treating its leaders badly, and I find it very strange that when they say that Congress treated Sitaram Kesari or PV Narasimha Rao badly, so this is also okay.
Thank you.
I mean, I don't know what kind of logic is that, saying that it's okay to treat sideline people in the Margdarshak Mandal because Congress treated Sitaram Kesari.
No, nobody is saying that. You can go ahead and ask that question to the Bharatiya Janata Party, because the Congress, because the political analysts were making that comment, and that is why I just asked the question: should we not talk about how Congress Party treated its leaders? You can go ahead and ask that question to the Bharatiya Janata Party.
That's exactly what Sudhanshu ji said, that the Congress Party treated them badly, so it's okay.
Mr. Trivedi, your response.
One thing I would like to add, Rahul Gandhi ji has done a very good thing, because he has at least praised Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. Because if I asked anybody who is sitting in the panel, in today's politics, those leaders who are alive, who is the most respected among all leaders who are alive today in Indian politics, I think the undoubted, unequivocal answer will be Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
And I think
second
that's
question,
what Mr.
if
Modi
I ask
grudges.
that among all leaders who are active in the politics today, in active politics today, most popular leader, it is Sri Narendra Modi, and incidentally, both are RSS Pracharak. And Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji was among the 18 RSS Pracharaks who founded Jansangh in 1951 along with Shama Prasad Mukherjee with the blessings of second Sar Sangchalak Sri Guruji. So in a way, he has indirectly admired the capability that RSS is capable of creating the personalities,
but he also said that we were the ones who fought against Vajpayee. No, he started by saying, Sudhanshu Trivedi ji, उन्होंने शुरुआत इस बात से की थी कि हम लड़े हैं वाजपेयी साहब के खिलाफ, लेकिन this is a culture that I went first and met Mr. Vajpayee. तो मुझे ये तो नहीं लग रहा कि वो उस तरीके से RSS को admire कर रहे थे या promote कर रहे थे. Ashutosh Mishra wants to make a point.
And we have to realize that what he was appreciating was here was a RSS pracharak who doesn't call the opposition kutta kutti, who doesn't abuse
was Atal
call
ji.
the opposition
And
leader
second is
Jersey cow.
Modi ji.
Nehru ji liked Vajpayee ji. Rajiv Gandhi had a close relationship, and Sonia Gandhi and Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji liked each other, and it was a mutual admiration society there. So we have to realize that he's the fourth generation Gandhi who has paid respect to Vajpayee ji and who
and then later went on and bragged about it.
He never said what you are trying, what is being attributed to him.
Went on and bragged about it.
He didn't brag about it. He didn't brag about it. What he said was that I went there despite all the differences.
अरे सर वो तस्वीरें बता रही थी अपने आप में कि despite the differences and despite the difference in ideologies, राहुल गांधी जाकर के मिले हैं. वो तस्वीरें तो अपने आप बता रही थी ना, तस्वीरों को तो एक्सप्लेन करने की जरूरत नहीं थी.
संदीप दीक्षित था.
नहीं संजय निरुपम.
मैं लेकिन सुधांशु जी की बातें सुनकर मुझे भी शायराना थोड़ा अंदाज आ रहा है. सुधांशु जी के साथ जब भी बैठता हूं तो एक शायराना अंदाज उनका होता है. तो सुधांशु जी आप जो तर्क रख रहे हैं कि मोदी जी अगर पीआर और प्रेस रिलीज करे तो ठीक है, राहुल गांधी बात करे तो गलत है, तो उस पर एक दो लाइन मैं भी कह दूं. अजब तेरी सियासत अजब तेरा निजाम, अजब तेरी सियासत अजब तेरा निजाम, यसीर से भी दोस्ती हुसैन को भी सलाम. लेकिन सुधांशु जी एक और लाइन भी सुन लीजिए. हजारों ख्वाहिश ऐसी के हर ख्वाहिश में दम निकले, हजारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसी कि हर ख्वाहिश में दम निकले. बहुत निकले शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा के अरमान, लेकिन फिर भी कम निकले. शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा, यशवंत सिन्हा, आप शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा, यशवंत सिन्हा थोड़ा उनसे भी पूछ लीजिए सर. आप अगर कांग्रेस की राह पे चलने वाले थे तो आपको सरकार क्यों 280 सीट आपको क्यों दी जनता ने? आप कह देते कांग्रेस ने जो 80 में किया, 90 में किया, वही आप करने वाले हो. आप कह देते फिर देखिए आपको 280 सीट मिलते. आप कहते कि रानी जी जब खड़े हो गए हम उनको नमस्ते भी नहीं करेंगे.
It's a good advice that is going to the भारतीय जनता पार्टी कि हमने तो गलती कर दी, कम से कम आप हमारे रास्ते पर मत चलिए. Don't treat your leaders the way the Congress party has treated them. सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, उनकी गलती मत दोहराइए.
I want to respond what तहसीन है. देखिए मैं इनकी गलती नहीं कह रहा हूं. राहुल गांधी talked about the tradition of the Congress party. I would like to remind what was the tradition of Congress party. आजादी मिली, जिन बुजुर्ग लीडर्स ने बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले किया था, याद करिए सरदार पटेल प्राइम मिनिस्टर होने वाले थे, उनके साथ क्या ट्रीटमेंट किया 75 वर्ष के थे. पुरुषोत्तम दास टंडन के साथ क्या ट्रीटमेंट किया, सी राजगोपालाचारी के साथ क्या ट्रीटमेंट किया. ट्रेडिशन सुनिए 1967.
ऑलराइट त्रिवेदी जी, जरा आपको रोक रही हूं क्योंकि बीजेपी का एक पहला रिएक्शन आ गया है. बीजेपी फर्स्ट रिप्लाई ऑन राहुल गांधी's comment. राहुल रेगुलरली डिस्टॉर्ट्स कांग्रेस पार्टीज इमेज. अनिल बलूनी दरअसल कह रहे हैं दैट president of the Congress party regularly distorts the image of his party. It is indeed a matter of great sorrow that he does not realize that he is politicizing such a critical matter. The entire nation has witnessed how Gandhi, through his ridiculous comments, has been trying to expand the reach of his party ever since the days of his vice presidentship of the party. तो ये पहला रिएक्शन है बीजेपी की तरफ से आशुतोष मिश्रा कि राहुल गांधी जाने अनजाने में पॉलिटिसाइज कर देते हैं, उन्हें पता ही नहीं चल रहा है कि वो इस मुद्दे को पॉलिटिसाइज कर रहे हैं.
नहीं, ये जानबूझ के बीजेपी इसको पॉलिटिसाइज कर रही है बिकॉज द ट्रुथ इज बिटर एंड ही हैज शोन द मिरर टू बीजेपी.
And what is the bitter truth?
The bitter truth is that BJP does not respect its seniors. There was a simple press release which said that Vajpayee has gone there for regular checkup.
And then you go to another event of your party and address your workers and brag about it.
An elder of the family is unwell, you rush to see him. It's
yes,
not that you
but
wait,
then you don't,
that
but then you
the
don't
neighbor
go
will go
to
and
your,
see, and then
go
we will
to
go
your
and
party
see
workers and tell them that, I am attacking the Bharatiya Janata Party on this point. That I went first.
He
this is
didn't
our
criticize Bharatiya Janata Party. He just showed the difference.
Why was he making that point?
He
no, but why was he making that point?
Because if you just hear what he was saying, that the Congress culture is to respect elders.
Suman Siraman, do you agree? Do you agree that there was no agenda? That there was no agenda and no point. And no point behind Rahul Gandhi making that comment.
Vallabhbhai Patel was going to be prime minister.
No. It is a legitimate opportunity to score a political point.
Yes, Golwalkar book bunch of thoughts.
One second. Suman Siraman is making a point.
तिरंगा शुभ है, एक्सेप्ट करो.
One second.
कौन से बुक में
Suman Siraman is making a point. Mr. Ketkar, 1 second. Testing Poonawalla, the topic is not that.
That you are lying. Okay.
The topic is not that.
165.
1 second. Testing Poonawalla and Mr. Ketkar, 1 second. 1 second. मुझे आपका फेडर डाउन करना पड़ेगा. All right. Suman Siraman, you are making a point. Please go ahead.
In India. In India, a lot of things have been politicized. It's not human tragedy has been politicized. So it's not as if to say that nothing has been politicized in the past, and should a visit to a hospital to see an ailing leader be politicized. In fact, we've had deaths of people. You remember the comment which came out when the bridge collapsed in Bengal. So I think that we have to look at it very objectively. This was an opportunity for Mr. Rahul Gandhi to score a political point, and he utilized the opportunity. Nothing prevented.
Not that. The topic is Rahul Gandhi bragging about meeting Atal Bihari Vajpayee. एक मिनट आप दोनों थोड़ा शांत हो जाइए. एक मिनट. The topic is not that. 1 second. The topic is not that. The topic is not that. और कोई आपको सुन नहीं पाएगा. आपको कोई नहीं सुन पाएगा. आप व्यूअर्स को कंफ्यूज कर रहे हैं. टॉपिक ये नहीं है जिस पर आप बहस कर रहे हैं. बात हो रही है राहुल गांधी की, जो अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी को मिल करके आए, then bragged about it. Yes. Mr. Sumansi Raman, you said this was a perfect opportunity, and Rahul Gandhi obviously utilized that opportunity.
But isn't it
unfortunate,
No, I'm asking. No, one question. Was it factually incorrect? Was it factually incorrect what he said? He said, I went first.
Those are two different things.
Nothing prevented the BJP leaders from going before him.
You yourself are saying that this is not factually incorrect, and you are yourself saying, sir, that it was a perfect opportunity and he did score a political point there. But my question is, wasn't it really unfortunate and sad that he went there to meet Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who's not keeping well, and then goes to his party workers and says, I was the one who went first, this is our culture, using that opportunity against the BJP.
To say after this fact? He is more a BJP person than any other BJP leader.
What is factually incorrect? Did he go after the Prime Minister? He didn't. What is factually incorrect?
What he's trying to say is that you should respect.
There are certain things which are factually correct or not incorrect, but they should be used in a decent manner. If you are going to pay a courtesy, just your respect, and trying to portray it in a political manner and try to use it as a political tool, then definitely it's objectionable. And even if it is factually correct, Sumansi Raman ji, you tell me what he tries to prove. वो भाजपाइयों से बड़े भाजपाई है क्या?
It is not about him being factually correct or incorrect.
या वो अटल जी के ज्यादा बड़े भक्त हैं भाजपाई है? क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं? या उनका धर्म परिवर्तन
The intention behind the statement, Mr. Sumansi Raman, those visuals were self-explanatory. They did not need those statements made by Rahul Gandhi कि मैं पहले गया, मैं मिला, ये हमारे पार्टी का कल्चर है. वो तस्वीरें देख के किसी को भी समझ आ जाता कि आइडियोलॉजिकल डिफरेंस होने के बावजूद राहुल गांधी गए. अच्छी बात है. सुमंसी रमन पहले गए. उन्होंने खुद भी इस पर बहुत स्ट्रेस किया. पहले गए. यस, सुमंसी रमन.
Video, I think you can go and look at it also, where he has not hidden what he is trying to say. He is openly saying it. He is trying to highlight the treatment that he believes that the party is giving to its senior leaders, and he's put out a video. Just go and watch it. It's on Twitter now.
Is he not forgetting the way his party treated?
He's not trying to hide.
Is he not forgetting the way his party treated Mr. Sitaram Kesri, Mr. PV Narasimha Rao? Is he not forgetting that fact?
Absolutely.
And it is not about being factually correct or not correct. It's about how he utilized that moment. Isn't that unfortunate?
All of that was wrong.
The problem is
all of that was wrong. But the point is, the BJP should be different. What is the logic in saying they are doing what the Congress is doing?
It is perfectly fine if you are playing politics over somebody's ill health. It is perfectly fine. So why does the way Rajiv Gandhi played a politics over Mrs. Gandhi's assassination, it is perfectly fine in Hindu culture. In Congress
I'll take your point forward.
Is it?
So I'll take your point forward.
I have to wrap up the debate. Sudhanshu Trivedi and Tehseen Poonawalla will stay with us for our debate number 2 as well. But for 1 second, Tehseen and Sudhanshu Trivedi दूसरी डिबेट के लिए भी हमारे साथ रहेंगे. बाकी दूसरे जितने खास मेहमान हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं. Thank you to all of them. But point here, it's not about Rahul Gandhi being factually correct or incorrect. The point is that Rahul Gandhi utilized that opportunity. Rahul Gandhi उसके बारे में ये कह रहे हैं अपने पार्टी वर्कर्स से that I went first. What was the need? उन तस्वीरों को देख के साफ हो रहा था that Rahul Gandhi went there despite whatever the ideological differences were.